In this short video, I will show you how to send money to India. This is going to be probably the cheapest, fastest, and most easy way to send money to India. So the main reason why I'm making this video is because when I take a look at my YouTube audience, it's more like over 10% of the people who watch my videos tend to come from India. So I decided to make a video just dedicated to help people wanting to transfer money to India. But before we start, I would love to welcome you to Take 5 Finance, and would be much glad if you decide to subscribe to the channel. We are going to be using Wise, formerly known as transferwise, to transfer money to India from almost any major currency in the world. If you are hearing about Wise for the very first time and wondering what Wise is, so Wise is a money transfer service company that enables people to transfer money, keep money, even spend money. It's one of the most reliable and probably the cheapest company to transfer money with. So you can go ahead and create your account on Wise by clicking on the link in the description below. By using that link, your first money transfer is going to be for free. And if you want help, you can go ahead and watch this video over here where I show you how to create and verify an account on Wise. With that said, let's get started. Once you have created and logged in into your Wise account, all what you need to do is to come over here on the home page and come and press on this green button which says send money. You just need to press on it. Then here you need to choose how you want to fund the money transfer. So you can transfer money directly from your bank account, or if you have got some money on your account on Wise, you can use that also to fund the money transfer. You can also choose to pay with a MasterCard or Visa card at the end of the transaction here under pay. So with me, I will just go with my USD balance. I will pay with my USD balance. And if you want to learn how to deposit money into your Wise account, go and watch the video which I've linked in the description below, because it is going to be way more much cheaper if you deposit first money into your Wise account before making the transfer. That's the reason why I added $10 before proceeding with the transfer. It is going to be way more much cheaper. So I'm going to fund this transfer using my USD balance. So I just need to choose it. Then in here, you can see that I'm sending money more like from USA using my USD bank account. Then here I need to choose the country where I need to send money to. So you can just scroll down here and choose the name of the country, or you just need to type the name of the country in the search bar here. So I'll search for India. Then I just need to choose India. Then after that, I just need to enter the amount I want to send. Since I'm just showing you, I'll just go ahead and transfer $5. So I'll enter 5. So you can see that I'm sending $5 from the USA, from my USD account on Wise to India, and the person is going to be receiving $363. And it's going to cost us about 40 cents. That's really cheap. It is really cheap to transfer money using transferwise. And here is the exchange rate. So transferwise is also known to have got one of the most favorable exchange rate. They use the mid-market exchange rate. So all what you need to do is to come down and come and press on continue. But before that, you can see that also this transaction is expected to be completed within seconds, meaning your money is likely to reach the other person like almost instantly. Within seconds, the other person will be able to receive the money on their bank account. So you just need to go ahead and press on continue. Then in here, if you are sending to a bank account which is in your name, you just need to come and press on myself. If you are sending to someone else, you can just come and press the second option. Or if you are sending the money to a business, you need to go with the third option. In my case, I'm sending to an individual account, so I just need to come and press on personal, like someone else. So you can see over here that we have got two options. You can either send the money directly to a local bank account. That is if the person you're sending money to has got a bank account. You can send directly to their bank account, or using UPI, where you just need their full name and the UPI ID to send money to them. But for me, I'm going to be transferring money to a local bank account. So the first thing that I need to do is to enter the email address of the person you are sending money to, so that they can be notified that money has been sent to them. So I will go ahead and enter the email address. So after entering the email address of the receiver, the next thing that we need to enter is the full name of the receiver. And then after that, we need to enter bank account details of the receiver. So I will go ahead and fill out this form. So here, I just need to enter the full name of the receiver. So I will copy this name over here and come and paste it in here. After entering the full name, the next thing that you need to enter is the IFSC code. So like this code, it is different with a SWIFT code. This is just a code which helps identify Indian bank accounts. Like it gives information about an Indian bank account. So you need to enter the code over here, which is this one. I'll just copy it. It is a 11-digit code. Just need to copy it and come and paste it under the IFSC code. Then the next thing that you need to enter is the account number. So I will go ahead and copy this account number and come and enter it over here. Then after entering all the bank account details, the next thing that you need to do is to come and press on confirm. Then here you need to select the reason why you are making this transfer. So I will just go with the first one, family maintenance. Actually, it doesn't matter what reason you choose. You can just go ahead and choose the reason why you are making the transfer. Then after that, you need to come and press on submit. After pressing submit, you'll be brought to this page where you need to review the details you have entered. So you just need to scroll down and check if all the entries are accurate. Once you have confirmed that all the entries are okay, everything is okay, you just need to come down over here and come and press on confirm and send. Then here you need to enter your wise password to confirm the transaction. So I will go ahead and enter the password. Then after that, you just need to come and press on done. Then after that, a confirmation code is going to be sent to your mobile phone number. So you need to come and enter it over here so that you can approve the transfer. So I will go ahead and enter the code in here. Then after entering the code, all what you need to do is come and press on done once again. Then you'll be brought to this page. So here you just need to come and press on track your transfer so that you can see when the money is likely to reach the person you have sent it to. So I will go ahead and press on track transfer. So here you'll be able to see the details of the money transfer you are making. You can see over here that money was taken from my account at 342. And at 346, money was delivered to the person I'm sending money to. So you can see that this transaction took approximately 4 minutes for the money to be taken from my account and to be credited to the recipient's bank account. So you have seen that this is most likely the cheapest and fastest way to send money to India. If you do agree with me and want to create your account on transferwise, make sure that you use the link in the description below to create your account. That way, you are going to have got your first transaction for free of charge. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope that it was helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.